Hello and welcome to the Honest Food Guy review. My name is Tyler. I'm the founder of this channel, and really, this is my first episode, and I created this just to let people be more informed about the decisions they're making and give a no BS review opinion on what it is that I receive in every month. Today, we're going to be starting with the box from MeyerMarket.com. That's M-E-Y-E-R market.com. In that box is going to be ground beef from one of their brands called Laura's Lean. Laura's Lean ground beef is some of the leanest ground beef that I'm able to purchase, and it's shipped right to my door now. They also own a few other brands, Meyer Natural, Dakota Grass-Fed, Local Harvest, and Kura Wagyu. It's the Meyer Natural Foods family of brands. Well, digging into the box here, this is the first one I've ever received. It says deliver ASAP, perishable, refrigerate, freeze upon arrival. Shipped from EGSKC. So I'm assuming that that is a distribution center in Kansas City, since that's where it did track from. When I originally ordered this box, they have a way that you can select what date you want it to ship out on. And I had selected right in the middle of March. And unfortunately, the box that I got was on February 28th, the first one, and I wasn't home to take it. So I contacted their customer support, and they immediately said that, yeah, that's no problem. We didn't see a different date on there. However, we can go ahead and ship you out a new box at whatever date you prefer. So I went ahead and moved it to April 1st, and now that's what you're seeing today. So just a little bit of background, though, also on Laura's Lean. Laura's Lean, what I've ordered is a 96.4 ground beef and a 92 percent, 8% fat ground beef. And unfortunately anymore, they do not carry their chicken breasts. There were 5 ounces. So I did not get that. Inside the box here, there's a packing slip that has the address on it. It says I ordered 1 Laura's 92% lean, 8% fat ground beef, 1 pound package, and then 8 Laura's 96 lean, 4% fat, heart check certified ground beef, 1 pound. And then there's something that says use client tape. I'm not for sure about that. But inside the box here, there's also a book that says MeyerMarket.com. Your order has arrived. Your culinary adventures await. Uncompromising standards, exceptional taste. The Meyer way, never ever. No added hormones or antibiotics. So this is not your typical grass-fed, grass-finished beef. That's normally what I would buy, but it's kind of hard to find it in a 96.4 or 92.8. You can find the 90.10 all the time. There's some things in here about arrival, what to do if something's not frozen, how to thaw it, and then a big thank you from Bob Meyer, the founder of Meyer Natural Foods. It says that there's always a 10% loyalty discount now that you've made an order, and they give you a promo code to put in every single time. And then on the inside here, they talk about steaks, ground beef, pork, and chicken, and then the different methods used. So grilling, not grilling, you know, whatever it is you decide to do with it. As you can see when you look in the box here, it comes with a nice styrofoam cooler. And you open it up, and inside of here is some dry ice. Quite a bit, actually. There's 1, I don't really want to touch it with my hands, and 2. So plenty of it in here still. It did take 2 days in transit, and then it looks like inside of there is a reusable tote. So this reusable tote says Robert E. Meyer Company Market since 1990. And it's in a red bag and sealed up. And then as you can see in the box, there's nothing else in there. So we'll put that down here for now. Just a little bit, let's unzip here. Let's see what's going on in the bag. So the first thing we come to is a 92.8. That's the only one that I ordered. And it says never ever added hormones or antibiotics in it. It has the nutrition information. And to do the solid test here, it's completely frozen, which is nice. And then the rest of them in here are going to be 96.4, all natural ground beef. No added hormones or antibiotics. And then it also has the information of what the beef itself has for nutrition information. And what I've really learned about having like a more leaner ground beef is just the different of the nutritional information, a lot less fat and a little bit more protein, which is what I'm looking for. I do think too that this reusable tote is kind of nice. I mean, it'll definitely make it easier to put everything over here. And then, as I said, I got 8 of those, and then, which is what they call their extra lean box. And these sell, I think it is regularly priced at, I want to say it's, let's see. I want to say it's $8.99 a pound. Let's see. Shop online. I just want to make sure I get this pricing right. Yeah, so it's $9.99 a pound on the 96.4, or you can get 8 of them for $75 as a one-time purchase. And then they also offer a subscribe and save option every 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or even 6 weeks here. And you can get those down to $9.49. And then currently the 92% lean ground beef is on sale for $5.99 a pound from $8.99 a pound. And you can also do that on a subscribe and save option for $5.69 a pound. Now, I did have the other discount code that I'd used, which got me another 15% off, and I was not able to combine that with the subscribe and save discount. So I went ahead and opted to do the full price box, the extra lean box with the 8 in there. And then to see, because the price is so much cheaper right now, how much I would actually like using that 92% lean instead of the 96 to save a little bit of money. Shipping varies on here, so you can get it free at any time for $125 or more purchased, and then $50 to $124.99, which is where I landed, was $9.99, and $0 to $49.99 is $19.99. But so far, I mean, I bought this at Kroger, which is my local grocery store, and the price of it per pound there is also normally about $9.99 to $8.99 for that 92%. Sorry, $9.99 for the 96, $8.99 for the 92%. So I'm getting it not only a little bit cheaper, but it's already frozen instead of coming out non-frozen and straight from the deli counter there, or the meat counter. And I can easily put this right in my deep freezers, which is right off to the right. You just can't see them currently. So it makes my life easier, and I can easily go to the door. And so far, you know, it is my first order from them, but I really appreciated their customer service. I mean, I know I selected the date down in the corner, but when I emailed them to tell them that I wasn't home, I mean, they responded and took care of it. I mean, there was no arguing with me, whatever. So when I got home, I just took the box off my front porch and I disposed of it because it was totally like, I mean, it was gone. Like there was no way I was going to revive that. So while they definitely get a kind of a bad taste in my mouth as far as selecting a date and then it's shipping early, they definitely recovered from that customer service interaction and fixing it for the next shipment that I got. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I would love if this product was, like I said, grass finished, grass fed meat, but it's not. And it's just super lean, and that's really what I've been looking for. I also get, which will be in the next coming days and weeks here, a couple more boxes every month, butcher box, and I do get ground beef in there for 80/20. It's just a little bit too much fat for me to eat on a regular basis. Sometimes I like to use it, but other times I really don't. So anyway, that's really all I have today. I appreciate your time and look forward to reviewing a new box with you soon. Take care.